Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered what made Islamic history so powerful and inspiring? From stories of patience and forgiveness to leadership and unity, the lessons are not just history, they're the keys to transforming our lives today. Stick with us, because what you're about to hear could change the way you think about challenges, success, and community forever. Ready to unlock timeless wisdom? Let's dive in. Imagine a young man born in desert who would go on to change the world forever. How did one person lead a revolution of hearts and minds? The answer lies in powerful lessons from Islamic history. Stay with us as we uncover these timeless treasures. Let's travel back to the streets of Makkah. Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, faced insults, threats, and hardship. For 13 years, he preached with patience, never giving up. And guess what? That patience paid off. His steadfastness turned hearts and built a global community of faith. Think about it. How could patience help you overcome your challenges? When the Prophet returned to Makkah as a victorious leader, he did something astonishing. Instead of seeking revenge, he forgave his enemies, saying, "Go, you are free." This act of mercy united an entire city under his leadership. What could forgiveness do in your life? Who could you free with a simple act of mercy? Fast forward to the golden age of Islam. Scholars like Al-Khwarizmi and Ibn Sina used the Quran's emphasis on learning to make groundbreaking discoveries in math, medicine, and astronomy. They didn't just learn for themselves, they shared their knowledge with the world. How can you use knowledge to make a difference? Great leaders don't just sit in palaces. Caliph Umar, Radeyallāhu anhu, would walk the streets at night, checking on his people. Once he found a woman cooking stones for her hungry children. Moved by their plight, he carried food on his back to help her. That's true leadership. What would the world look like if every leader cared like Umar? Let's go to Medina, where Prophet Muhammad created the Charter of Medina. It brought Muslims, Jews, and other groups together under one constitution, showing the world how different communities can live in peace and harmony. How can you bring unity into your world? Salahuddin Ayyubi is remembered for his courage, but his greatest weapon was his hard work and faith. Before every battle, he would spend hours in prayer, preparing himself and his soldiers mentally and spiritually. What are you working hard for, and how can faith guide you? Women in Islamic history played vital roles. Khadijah, Radeyallāhu Anha, the Prophet's wife, was a successful entrepreneur who supported his mission. Aisha, Radeyallāhu anha, one of his wives, became a leading scholar, teaching thousands. What could the world achieve with more empowered women? Did you know? Uthman ibn Affan, Radiyallahu anhu, bought a well and made its water free for everyone. This act of charity earned him endless rewards, and even today, wells around the world are built in his name. How could your generosity change lives? History is not just about the past. It's a treasure chest of wisdom for our lives today. Offering lessons to carry forward into the future. Patience, forgiveness, knowledge, justice, and unity. These are the values that shaped Islamic history, and they can shape your life too. Which lesson will you practice today? Let us know in the comments. Don't let these stories stay in history. Let them inspire your future. Like, share, and subscribe for more incredible lessons from Islamic history. See you next time. Jazakum Allahu khairan and assalamu alaikum.